1, 2, 3.
Hello!
Hello! Everyone, so we are back with Featherdown Farms. This time we're at Hollings Hill Farm.
Hollings Hill? I don't know why you just said that. Hollings Hill?
Thanks. Hollings Hill.
Hollings.
Hi everyone, today we're back at Featherdown Farms. Hey everyone, so we're back at Featherdown Farms. This time we're at Hollings Hill Farm. Shut up! Good morning everyone. So we just had our first night in the cabin. It's a very early start.
Very wet.
It's very wet, it's been raining all night.
Madison, you're dropping your blanket.
What's up, mate? Oh, well now I've told you it might be the horses, you're going to use that all the time. And Maddie May's got really bad blocked nose, she suffers with hay fever and asthma, don't you Maddie May? And monitis? Something like that, monitis I think it's called. But yeah, it's a really early start.
That must be where she gets it from then, you.
Don't shout, it's early morning, people are still in bed. We're going to Beefeater for a buffet breakfast. And then we're going on to our activity, which I can't say just yet because the girls are still here. Alright, fine, we're going to a library.
I saw a bunny.
You saw a bunny?
Yeah, he went blue.
Right. So we just had our breakfast. It was cold and...
Cold?
Mine was cold. Was it not cold?
What, your breakfast?
Yeah, it's freezing cold.
No.
Oh.
Really?
Paige had a shard of metal in her baked beans,
It
which was
wasn't a
great.
shard, it was a swirl.
It's a shard. A swirl, a shard. It is still a shard of metal. It doesn't matter what shape it's in.
Possibly.
Anyway, where are we, girls?
Monkey World!
Cadbury with lots of foggies.
Yeah, so we're at Cadbury World.
If everything I dreamt of was true, I take your blessings with your heartaches too. It's so easy and so wonderful to know it's you. From the highest mountain to the deepest well, I never thought I'd be the one to tell. It's so easy and so wonderful beneath your spell. Bright is the shadow that my true love casts. Dark is the light he shares.
We're on a farm, Tracy.
No, as in like they're all in a pile, dead. I mean.
1 minute, May. I'll be there. Draw me this one. Good morning. Well, it's almost lunchtime. We are on our final day today and we're just about to go for a farm tour.
You got lucky.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we do. So I'm going to say everyone's always
My daughter
There's grass in here, so cows love the grass. Okay, so we harvest that out of the fields about 4 times a year. We cut our grass. Hello. Do you know why the cows lick me so much? Because I feed all the calves, and so I always smell of milk powder. So I just went in the shed down there, and they literally got mobbed. They don't bother with my husband at all, but they're always at me. In the summer when it's really hot.
He's obviously got a cold nose.
So it is soft, isn't it? Do you want to stroke it, George? It's really soft. He runs in the opposite direction. It's lovely. Do you like them?
I love
Look at the little baby cows. Hello guys. Hello. Yeah. Little babies. Come to say hello. Just be very, very gentle. Hmm? Hello, fella. Oh, feel how rough its tongue is. See if it will lick you.
I'm scared.
Trying to eat my finger. He's licking me.
I have a wet hand.
Oh, yeah. Go back.
Or if you allow me to
Want to see those ones over there? He's hungry.
Careful.
Hello.
Is he licking you? What does his tongue feel like?
They're really rough. She's got out the car already.
Oi! Eager beaver.
Madison's got out the car already.
She's that
has
excited.
lots of room to get out.
Yeah.
Thank you, because I'm
She needs
fat.
it. So we are
Madison,
doing...
get back in the car.
What now?
You're
What are we doing now, Paige?
Out.
Go.
What kind of golf?
What is it? What's Madison?
Crazy.
Yeah,
It's
crazy.
actually adventure golf. We have a strange doctor.
Yeah.